Hey guys, Rocky AJ here today, and I'm going to be showing you top 10 unused animal jam today. So let's get right. Okay, I'm in where all the animals are going to be. So I'm going to start off with number 10 today. Probably number 10 is, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah. Number 10 is the monkey.
Some people use a monkey.
Some people, but it's not really.
Alligators, like no one ever uses alligators.
That's number. In the background, you can probably hear my dog, if you can hear it.
Dog? Did you just call me a dog?
You can probably hear it. Number 9.
Dog.
I didn't call you a dog. Number 9 is elephant, I think, probably. I was looking if Silver Gloves texted me or not. Okay. Okay, just burped.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Wait, did I do already 8? Okay, number 8
I don't know.
is seal. The odd thing about a seal is pretty much that you cannot it can be a land animal and it can be a water animal, so it's kind of a both animal, but it's probably gonna be number 8. Number 7 is the lion. Because of the lion, no people use it. It used to be popular when it just came out. Everyone wanted to.
So you know what, you came and play Wild, go buy it while you can.
Yeah. I came on and play Wild, but
it's really interesting. I bought one.
They're real cool. They're good, kinda. Okay. The reason I'm picking number 7 is the lion, cause no one really.
Sucks.
What?
It sucks.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons, and it never really gets used that often. So
please stop talking so loud.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
This is what happens when you sit next to your brothers and sisters. People.
Okay, number 6. Not the shark. No, it's not the shark.
Ignore this. Oh wait, I was
Number 6 is gonna be kangaroo. Number 6 is kangaroo. What are you doing? I mean, hold block.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, 6 is kangaroo. Wow. For number 5, I'm probably gonna be picking raccoon. No one really uses them anymore. And
I use it.
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite animals because they carry rabies.
Number 4.
Why did you look at me like I'm insane? So.
Number 4 is gonna be deer. You should go buy a deer before it goes away.
It's already exploring.
Yeah. Well, it's already exploring.
Do you even have a deer? What if I still have mine? If I do, I haven't tried. Oh yeah, I still have mine. Ooh.
Number 4. Wait, I just need number 4. So, number 3 is polar bear. It never gets used that often. So, the reason I'm picking this is because they're kind of fat.
Drive me insane?
No, because it's fat.
I love my polar bear. Polar bears are adorable.
I know, but they're just
oh my god,
fat.
look at this in a tux.
I'm not even gonna look.
That's hilarious.
Number 2 is gonna be the rhino. You can't get these anymore because they're already traveling.
And they suck.
Yeah. And for number 1, has to be the octopus.
Oh my god, look at this and explain what this is.
Okay,
They look so
I'm
nice.
gonna give you like a really creepy
face?
Image of how this octopus looks in it. So let me just find it. Let me just find a weird name. Okay, I found a weird name. Large Pretty Lady. That's a greatest name.
Greatest name ever, kid.
Yeah.
Name your... Let's go back to puss that.
A naked octopus. A naked octopus. Never say that. You'll get banned. See, look how they look. Like this person. I barely have... Okay, I have a lot of... Just look how creepy they are.
For some reason, it reminds me of you.
Yeah.
That looks like you.
Just put like a really stupid one on. Okay. Found the stupidest outfit ever. Okay, let me just find something else that's really stupid. Okay, I just picked the weirdest outfit ever right now.
That looks like you. Sorry, head. In my opinion, it looks like.
I just got a text from Miss Cooper.
Best.
Why did I just get a... I don't know what the heck that is. Why did someone give me something? Okay. That's probably gonna be it for this video. So I was just showing you how stupid the octopuses look. You should be exploring, so if you guys enjoyed, please
subscribe. Do him a favor.
like and subscribe, comment, and subscribe, please.
And subscribe me too.
I'll put her link in the description.
If you can.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm gonna hurry up and finish this video.